is the sunset. I'm about a little ways east of a place called Eastlay, even though it doesn't exist anymore. Anyway, you know, typical Saskatchewan, spectacular skies. That lake down there, I went swim. Well, I didn't swim in it. I just washed myself in it. But I went in with the horses later in the day and splashed around and stuff. Yeah, it's pretty wild, pretty nice. It's pretty strange ground we're camped on. It's, you know, but it's okay. They have a lot of dandelions to eat. But this is about as good as it gets in terms of sunsets. Hope you're all good. Bye.